Face it up to me. Welcome back to crazywormlady. Would you want to take up my worm bin?
Alright, you want to take the lid off of your worm bin here and we can show everybody how it's coming along?
We have some sprouts here.
We'll pull it off so that they can see. All right. Whoa, look at those sprouts. That's crazy. What are these? Are these bell pepper sprouts?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it has a whole root. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
All right, let's pull those and set them aside up there. Pull 'em out.
But why is there going to be some more sprouts?
No, probably just the sprouts we can see, because sprouts grow upward, right? So these sprouts grow upward. All right, let's look and see if we can find our wormies, see how they're doing.
They need to stay in there.
You think so? Oh,
Yeah.
Here's your toilet paper roll. You can pull this out for a second. I see a wormy on it though, look. Oh, I see two wormies. I just knocked one off though, I think. You see him?
Yeah.
How's he look?
He looks very healthy.
He looks very healthy. Okay.
Yeah, he's getting nice and red.
Ooh, look at that. There's some wormies in the bottom. See, 1, 2, 3. Careful.
4.
Oh, there's probably more than that, I think, but that's what I'm seeing right now. All right, I don't see much in the way of food in here. However, I saw a tiny bit of like hair mold on the side. I still see the top of that strawberry stem.
Mom, look.
Hold it down in front of the camera, down lower, right here. Come here, hold it right here so that we can see it.
Oh, he's so cute.
He is so cute.
Yeah.
All right, you wanna go put him back in? I think we're not gonna feed today, baby. I think we're probably just going to turn this bedding up a little bit. I might even add a tiny bit of dry peat moss because it's a little bit wet. We'll mix that in. Here, put your wormy back. Oh, this is a fat guy. Look at him. He's chunky. Does he look healthy too?
Can I hold him?
Sure. Put him up there.
Oh, now he has a friend.
Now they're friends?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at him.
He's climbing up on the wormy.
Yeah, they're looking for the dark. It's a little bit bright for them, huh?
Yeah.
All right, can you put them back in the worm bin? I think we're not gonna feed this one today. We're just gonna let them go for another week and see how they do in here. What do you think?
Good.
Okay, so let's can you bury this back down for me? Right down here?
Huh?
Bury this back down. Kind of cover it up. You don't wanna overfeed it. Hold on. And we're gonna take this, lay this on top, and can you maybe do a tiny sprinkle of eggshell on top?
Yeah.
Just a little tiny bit. Okay. Now we're gonna put our lid back on your bin. Can you put the lid back on? Put the lid back on. All right, so what do you say to our friends? Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
We'll talk to you soon.
I'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.